Welcome to the guided meditation to attract more money and abundance. Start with taking some deep breaths. Take a few slow, deep breaths as you count to yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Now do a couple on your own. Slow, deep breaths. And exhale. One more time. And exhale. Now notice how you feel right now in this moment. Notice any tension, any stress, or any worry that you can sense in your mind or your body. And just let it go. Feel yourself just melting into whatever it is that's holding you and supporting you. Whether it's a chair or a couch or a bed, just feel your body melting, muscle fiber by muscle fiber. You just start to feel heavier and more relaxed, just more calm and at ease. Now, take a second to think about what it is that you want. What do you want more of in your life? Maybe it's to make money more easily. Maybe it's to feel more free and alive. Just tune into what it is that you want more of. And notice if that brings up any tension or anxiety or stress in your body. If it does, that's okay. Notice it and let it go. Again, take a deep breath in and feel your body relax as you exhale and let it go. Now tune into what it is you want again. Do you want more clients or customers? Do you want to have more joy? Do you want to have better relationships? Do you want to move forward in your business? Do you want to feel more wealthy and rich? Do you want to go on more luxurious vacations? Whatever it is that you want more of in your life, think about that right now. Now really tune into it and visualize all the details you can possibly come up with related to what it is that you want. Get specific. Start by seeing a movie screen in your mind. And you are in the future and you have exactly what it is you want. What do you see? Look around you. Where are you? What are you doing? How are you feeling? And what are you thinking? And pretend that there's a mirror in front of you and you see yourself. You have everything that you want. What do you see? How does this future version of you look? What is the energy that you're emitting? Take a deep breath and feel that energy. What are the thoughts that you're having because you've reached this goal, because you have more abundance, because you have more money, because you have more joy? What would you be thinking if you had everything you wanted? How would you be feeling in your body physically and emotionally? And if you were to look back on the timeline of your life leading up to this moment, what is it that you did? What actions did you take that got you to where you are right now? With all of that abundance, all of that money and joy, all of that ease in your life. What led you here? And once again, just acknowledge all that you've accomplished and how good it feels. And for you specifically, what is it that you're feeling? Notice the energy that you're sending out with everything that you do. Your body movements, the words you say, the way you look at people. What is your energy? And what are the emotions that help you to emit that energy? And what impact is this making for yourself, for the people you love, and for your community and the world around you? Why is this important to achieve this goal? To have more? What impact can you make when you have more money and more abundance? When you are more joyful and at ease? Who else benefits? And why is that important to you? Just soak it all up and feel it. Feel the power that you have. And imagine that there's a bright light just flickering inside of you. And that bright light gets bigger and stronger and more powerful. And it keeps getting bigger and bigger until it's not only filling up your entire body, but it's shooting out of you like rays of sunshine. You are literally lighting up the world with your energy. With these rays of sunshine beaming out of you. Just feel that power in this moment. And feel the gratitude. And know that this is what is waiting for you. Once you allow yourself to feel those feelings, you can look back and notice the actions you took to get there. And what thoughts are you telling yourself to take those actions? Why are you doing all of this stuff? Why is this important? What leads you to feel motivated and inspired? And maybe you want to just grab a hold of a few specific thoughts that are popping in your mind. You're just going to save those for later. So when you're doing your normal daily routine, you can tune into these thoughts from your future. The future you that has everything that you've ever wanted and more. You'll be able to access these words of wisdom very easily. They'll always be there for you. So one more time, just feel the energy. Notice the rays of sunshine beaming out of you and how much they affect other people around you, and the ripple effect that has for even more people. And you notice yourself just smiling, feeling really good about yourself and everything that you've done to get where you are. You did this. You have the power to bring in and attract anything and everything you've ever wanted. By allowing, by feeling, and ultimately being so grateful for all of it. Now spend another few seconds here just soaking this all in. Really feeling it with every fiber of your being. And take a deep breath. And exhale. And slowly, you start coming back into your body, into the present moment. As you see this future version of yourself fading off into the distance, but yet you still feel very connected. And as I said, you can access this future version of yourself at any time you choose. It's your future. And take another deep breath as you feel your body sinking into the earth below you. And take another deep breath as you start to wiggle your toes and wiggle your fingers and feel present. And now open your eyes, and I would invite you to spend a couple minutes journaling on anything and everything that came up for you.